So
Hmm.
all the specializations have a little bit touch of global related subjects or the international perspective subjects. For example,
Hmm.
in SCM, when we study advanced SCM, we have a little bit idea of international SCM perspective. When we study HR,
Hmm.
we have international HR relations as a subject. When we study marketing, we
Hmm.
have international marketing as a subject. The job profiles matches your curriculum. And sir, if you have invested 2 years of your time in studying agricultural commodities, rural
Hmm.
markets, and then getting a job of sales in some banking or non-banking institution
Does not
doesn't
make
make any sense.
SIIB. Okay, Vinith, I would love to know what's happening inside SIIB. यार बच्चे बहुत सारे पूछते कि सर SIIB में क्या चल रहा है, थोड़ा बता दो हमें SIIB के बारे में, जो मतलब अगेन आई विल हैव एड माय ओन वर्ड्स आल्सो. एक बार आप भी बता दो फिलहाल प्लेसमेंट का क्या सीन है, क्राउड कैसा है, और एक मिथ हमारा क्लियर कर देना जो बच्चों का है, इज
हाँ,
SIIB ओनली गुड फॉर IB या फिर मार्केटिंग फाइनेंस भी तगड़ा है, एक बार
absolutely.
बस बच्चों को हेल्प कर देना, ठीक है.
Sure, sure.
बिफोर आई टेक यू अहेड, आई एम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू. कट ऑफ इज
Yeah.
92, जस्ट करेक्ट मी, ये सही है कि गलत है ना. एंड SC इज अराउंड अबाउट
Yes, sir.
58, ST इज 20. दिस इज करेक्ट, ओके. ST 21, इज दैट लो? अच्छा चलो ठीक है. डिफरेंटली एबल
A
29,
bit
कश्मीरी
low, sir.
माइग्रेंट. आई एम सॉरी.
It's a bit low, sir. For ST, it's a bit.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ओके. सो भाई ST वाले बच्चे लोड ना लो सर, ये PDF दिलवा रुक जा भाई, पहले प्रेजेंटेशन होने दे. ये MBA का याद आ गया मेरे को. फैकल्टी लेक्चर ले रहा है और बच्चे बैठे, अरे यार बस करो यार, PDF दे दो, PPT दे दो. गाइस रुको जरा रुको. कश्मीरी माइग्रेंट एवरेज 11.32 है, हाईएस्ट 20 है. इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा लाइट डालना, बिकॉज आई गॉट टू नो कि 39 वगैरह हाईएस्ट गया है इस बार, थोड़ा
Yes,
बता
sir.
दो, ठीक है.
So basically ये average और highest 2020 to 22
हाँ
batch का
पिछले
है.
साल का डेटा है, राइट
हाँ,
राइट
पिछले साल का
राइट.
डेटा है. So we have uploaded our recent interim placement report with 21-23 batch. So this year
नाइस.
our highest has gone to 39 LPA, and our
वाओ.
average lies somewhere between 13.80 to 14.50. So
ओह.
our average has also taken a jump of more than 2.5 to 3 lakhs. And
वाओ.
talking about the recruiters that you have mentioned here is all correct. They all have come to campus this time for final placements. Also talking about the final placements of our seniors, our IB batches, our IB, AB, and ENE, all the three batches are 100% placed,
वाओ.
and not even a single student is left till now in the campus. The placement
ओके.
process have been wrapped in December end only. For
अच्छा.
SIP, the process is still going on, and it will be
हम्म.
ending soon by January mid or January end by latest.
परफेक्ट है भाई, बहुत अच्छी बात. सो SIB इज बैक इन द गेम, हाँ. IB इज बैक
Yes,
इन द
sir,
गेम.
absolutely.
हैप्पी
Absolutely,
टू नो
sir.
दैट, हैप्पी टू नो दैट.
So,
हाँ गो अहेड गो अहेड.
बेसिकली क्या होता है कि लिंक्डइन पे बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आती हैं कि पीपल दैट स्टूडेंट्स गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन एमबीए आईबी एमबीए कोर. इज दैट
हम्म.
रियली डिफरेंट? इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस है, सिर्फ नीश हो
हम्म.
जाएगा, रोल्स क्या
हम्म.
आएंगे, ये स्पेसिफिक तो नहीं हो जाएगा, एमबीए कोर्स से थोड़ा नीचे लेवल पे तो नहीं आ जाता है ये प्रोग्राम? तो ये डाउट्स
हम्म.
आते हैं. और जो बाकी
हम्म.
दो नीश प्रोग्राम्स है हमारे, एग्री बिजनेस एंड एनर्जी एंड एनवायरमेंट,
हम्म.
so like I will agree to it this completely. कि हाँ, they are a completely niche program. If you are willing to make your career in
राइट.
agri business sector, you then MBA agri business is the perfect course for you. And
हम्म. हम्म.
SIIB is one of the best college or institute to
हम्म.
which offers you MBA agri business after the big
एक्चुअली
B schools or after the big
राइट
IIMs. And
राइट
energy and
एक्चुअली
environment again, yes.
इट्स आई एम अहमदाबाद, लखनऊ, एंड देन SIB को बच्चे प्रेफर करते हैं. काफी बड़ा नाम है SIB का जहां तक एग्री मैनेजमेंट का सवाल है. एंड इनके
Yes.
कंपनीज ऑन द कैंपस कमिंग आर फैबुलसली गुड. इनके पैकेजेस आर आल्सो गुड. प्लस अगर मैं बात करूं बच्चों को प्रोफाइल भी काफी सही मिलती है. तो एग्री के लिए तो यार आप मचा रहे हो, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. Continue. Can you put some light on the specialization? What is it really good for? Marketing, consult, finance. What is it?
Absolutely, sir. So basically, MBA and IB, it covers basically all the subjects.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
it just covers the subjects like MBA core basically. So, but we
Hmm.
have a little bit perspective of international or
Hmm.
globalization to every subject or to every specialization. So we have four
Hmm.
specializations in MBA and IB. They are marketing, HCM, finance, and human resources.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
all the specializations have a little bit touch of global related subjects or the international perspective subjects. For example, in SCM, when we study advanced SCM, we have a little bit idea of international SCM perspective. When we study HR, we have international HR relations as a subject. When we study marketing, we have international marketing as a subject. So, like in any other B school, or when you do a normal MBA or a normal PGDM core, you understand about the domestic markets. But when you do MBA in international business, you understand the domestic aspect as well as the international aspect. So it is no less than MBA core. It is just the added knowledge which will expand your horizon in the global and the international roles as well. And the game is, the equal for all the specializations, be it marketing, be it finance, be it SCM, be it HR. Talking about the other two programs, MBA in agribusiness or energy and environment, this year agribusiness has recorded the highest placement of 16 lakhs, and energy and environment has recorded the highest placement of 18 lakhs.
Wow.
So the game is on, and the programs are genuinely, doing so great. The niche programs. So basically, if we talk about niche programs, it becomes very difficult for any institution to provide a good quality of role.
I second that.
So because when you study something related to agribusiness or related to sustainability, ESG, or corporate social responsibility, it really becomes difficult for the institution to place people in the roles or in the same profiles they have been studying for the last 2 years. And the profiles that has been coming for agribusiness and energy environment are perfectly matching the curriculum that the students are studying. So basically what happens in any B school, like I am also doing MBA, we get a lot of news that no matter what specialization you are into, there is a common job available in every college for all the specializations.
Very true.
Yeah. So basically for us, the job profiles matches your curriculum. And sir, if you have invested 2 years of your time in studying agricultural commodities, rural markets, and then getting a job of sales in some banking or non-banking institutions doesn't make any sense.
Absolutely nonsense.
So if you have studied agricultural commodities, rural markets, green marketing, and subjects like that, it is very important that you get placed in that sector only.
Right.
So this year, basically the agribusiness division of the major brands have come to the campus. They have offered the roles which are pertaining to agri-based business only, the agri-based profiles only. So the roles which have been offered as deputy manager, the development product role, the product diversification role, and all these into the agri-based industry. And same with the energy and environment sector. So basically what I have observed, this CSR unit has become very important in all the big brands. From a startup to a middle level brand to a bigger level brand, this CSR, ESG, sustainability, energy efficiency, these all terms have become really important, keeping in mind the quality and the set of the economy that we are living into. And the roles offered by Dalmia and the Dalmia group of industries, the ITC group of industries, the Tata Motors.
You break.
They genuinely hold the great domain.
Perfect. That was a great explanation. I think that clears a lot of doubts, by the way. Again, just to give you guys an idea, IB is not a specialization as such. मतलब होगा अपने SIIB में है, but IB is a very beautiful thing. It cuts through everything. It cuts through finance. It cuts through marketing. It is a part of HR. It is a part of operations. It is a part of strategy. So अगर आप IB पढ़ते हो ना, you actually get ready for the global thing, right? तो अगर मैं फाइनेंस के बारे में बात करूं तो तुम्हारा यार, अगर मैं आईबी के बारे में बात करूं तो आप नॉस्ट्रो वगैरह सीखोगे, है ना? आप इंटरनेशनल डेरिवेटिव प्रोडक्ट जो है सीडीएस वगैरह सीखोगे, कोलैटरलाइज्ड डेट ऑब्लिगेशन सीखोगे, क्रेडिट लिंक नोट्स वगैरह सीखोगे, जिसको इंडिया में तो उसका मतलब दूर दूर तक किसी को आइडिया भी नहीं है। HR के बारे में आप सीखोगे तो
includes recruiters such as international banks or MNCs, which involves in financial wealth management or financial wealth creation, which plays a very important role in your resume when you start. Like when you start with a company who is an MNC and dealing in finance and derivatives other aspects, and you are willing to make a career in finance, it genuinely makes a very good impact on your CV.
Fantastic, perfect. So by SIIB is back in the game. You should gun for it. 92 पे कॉल आ जाएगी विनीत?
Can't say, sir. Hope so.
Safe cut off क्या है? 93 पे तो आ ही जाएगी.
93 पे आ जाएगी सर. 92 plus. I would say.
92 plus पे है. हम जान लगा देंगे तुम्हारी कट ऑफ कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. टेंशन मतलब मैं विनीत को लेके आऊंगा वापस एक बार. मैं विनीत को बोलूंगा भाई बैठ मेरे बच्चों को पढ़ा, and we'll do that.